Hi, I'm Judy Duke, author of Life Purpose Playbook and founder of ProductivityGoddess.com. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to use your planner to keep you focused and productive every day. Watch this video until the end so that you get a free copy of my template to make your goals happen faster than ever before. So let's begin with step number 1, setting goals. If you're anything like me, you love to set goals and intentions. And once you understand the universal laws of vibration and attraction and cause and effect, you realize that everything is first imagined before it becomes physically present. I became obsessed with goal setting and strategic planning in my early 20s. And that's when I created my own planning system, which I only just published a few years back. This is it here. It's called the Life Purpose Playbook. You can use any planner for these 4 ways that I'm going to share with you in this video. The front of the Life Purpose Playbook has a few exercises to help you to get clear on your values and your purpose. Create a mission statement for your life, set goals, and there's even a place for you to create your own vision board inside. By the way, stay tuned for an upcoming video where I'll show you how to create a digital vision board just like this one here in 30 minutes or less. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss it. Step number 2. Organize your calendar. I personally love planners. I'm a planner addict, and so my calendar isn't digital, it's physical. Here I have my calendar, and I also have a place for my ideas called my Idea and Project Magnifier. Use daily pages. There is so much magic in using daily pages because they help you to stay focused and grounded. And I like to use my planner that already has some great productivity techniques in it so that I don't have to think. It's just there to follow. And in my Life Purpose Playbook, I start off my morning with something great that happened the day before. Then I write 3 things I'm grateful for, because whatever we're grateful for grows. I also write a daily intention. The night before, I like to fill out this section here, which is my before noon commitment. This here is one of the best productivity tips you will ever hear. Working on my most important actions for my goals, doing them before noon so that I feel really accomplished. And that feeling, which will create even more momentum for me, that feeling can take me through into the rest of my day. Try it out, you're gonna love it. Here's where I write out any other to-dos or notes or even journaling. I like to use this space to mind map and to take notes when I'm on the phone with someone. Here's where I write out my appointments for the day and more notes over here. This is my habit transformer. Anything you want in life, you can have it so long as you decide what is that one action that if you do over and over and over again, it becomes a habit. And that will bring that goal to you faster than anything else. And my water tracker, because water is life. A weekly check-in ritual will help you to do some strategic planning every single week. This is what my weekly check-in system looks like every Sunday. First, I celebrate something from this past week in this balloon here. Then I go through this checklist, which takes me back to the front of the book where I'd written out my goals and projects and in my calendar. This keeps my dreams top of mind, and therefore I'm always creating some next steps for the next week ahead. Then I write here my top 3 priorities for the next week. These are 3 big action steps to move me towards my goals. After that, I write the date on the next 7 pages in the planner so I can be ready to use my daily pages this coming week. Notice in this planner, it's undated, so I can start and stop any time. I love that about this planner. Keep track of your wins always. I do that here in the back of the book, writing them inside these balloons. Create a reference section with all the notes you refer to often. I keep that here in the back of my planner, my branding colors, my checklists, and so many other things. And if you're using the Life Purpose Playbook as your planner, why not do some coloring inside? Because not only is it a coloring meditation, it'll make you feel great, but it'll also help to increase the vibe of your planner. So there you have it. Now you know the 4 ways to use your planner to keep you focused and productive every single day. But do you know how to write your goals to make them even more achievable? No problem. I've got a free template for you. Click on the link in the description to download it now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.